Alright, YouTube. Back again with the Can-Am Ryker Shadow Black. Today I'm going to do a test run and see how these Spyder end link for the sway bar makes a difference riding on the Ryker. Let's start her up. I guess it would have helped if I'd have used the key. My bad. Alright, so I installed the Spyder Extras sway bar end links. Replaced the plastic ones that were installed on the Ryker. It's a definite feel in the difference in cornering stability. It does make the turns where you work a lot harder with your arms. Yeah, you really gotta push into the turns. This is my first time riding with the end links. But you do feel a lot of grip on the road. When you're turning at high speeds, around 30 miles an hour, when you're cornering, it feels like you have more tire planted to the ground. I know this has all the gyroscope and stabilization built in to keep you from doing that. But with these end links, it just feels the turns are solid. It's like I said, it's a little bit more work in the arms, I guess because these are metal and not plastic, but you feel more planted. It wasn't hard to install. Ratchet set, open end, do the job in like a half hour. Don't have to remove any plastic parts or pieces. Basically, you just unbolting the old ones, bolting in the new ones. Comes with all the hardware. You can see in my previous video the installation process. Just going to give you a real rod review. Yeah, so I'm gonna just whip around a few turns, just get a feeling for these end links. I do have to say it's a serious improvement on the way the Ryker feels. I have to say, once I got on it and started riding around, made a few turns, you could really feel the difference in the handling on the turns. I mean, you really feel it. Like I said, though, you're going to push a little bit harder with your arms in your turns, but you're going to feel a lot more planted onto the ground. Your tires are going to feel planted. You're going to feel like you're locked in. There's no lifting. Like sometimes you get that feel like one tire is going to come up or it's not completely touching the ground, and that's going to eliminate that feeling altogether. Out for my daily commute. It's about 70 degrees, slightly breezy. It's a beautiful weekend. But I say it's a good choice. I mean, I really feel the difference. I mean, everything I said before, I think it's a good choice. It's a good buy, and it's a novice install, really. If you're just a little bit handy, they give you some paper instructions. You can pretty much figure it out. Like I said, it's well worth having. I totally recommend the product. Got it from Sling Mods. Shipping's quick. Everything I need was in the package. Definitely worth the purchase. Alright, so that's going to be my review on the Spyder Extra Ryker end links for your sway bar. Hey, if you like my videos, I got a lot of install videos, I got a lot of vlogs, I got reviews, ride all the time. If anybody got questions, please leave a comment. And that's about it. Everybody can enjoy their Rykers.